Hello programmers. In this video we will learn how to declare arrays in shell script. So let's get started. And we will start with a hash bang bin bash, and we need multiple echoes as we do every time, and new line, copy, paste, and everything will be done in between. So it is really simple to declare an array. You can say like uh, animals equal to, it's pretty much similar to declaring a variable. So when you are declaring a variable, you just say like uh, age is equal to 12, name is equal to Yash, like that simple, right? So it is pretty similar to that. So you will say animals, and we will need parentheses, and here we will say dog. And in other programming languages we do have commas, but here you just need a space. So you will say dog, cat, you know what, I don't like cat. That's dog, lion, monkey, and let's do donkey, and let's do cow maybe, and we can do a pig, whatever. So okay, that's that. Our array is created. So we need to see stuff. How do we do that? So we do echo, and let's try to access the first element. So it's pretty simple. You do dollar. First let's check what happens when we just do animals. Okay, and when we go to the script and print it out, we get dog. So when you do just basic variable, you get dog. And but when you try to index it the way you do it in other programming languages, it messes up. So the way you will let interpreter know that this is part of the variable is using curly brackets. And when you do this, and that's supposed to be after the dollar, make sure, and we will do it again and we get dog. Let's try to copy this statement and paste it a couple of times so that we can access different elements. So of course index starts with 0, so this is 0th, first, second, third, fourth, fifth element. Okay, so we have a length of 6. And let's print out a couple of more animals. So we'll say 3, and let's do 3 again, doesn't matter. Let's remove one of the animal, it's too much. So let's get rid of this, and let's get rid of pig as well. We don't want pig. 4 is enough. So let's go back to the screen and print it out. Okay, dog, lion, monkey, cow. So next question, how, okay, there is a way to print out all the elements at once. So we will say all the elements of animals, and we can print it out. So we'll say dollar, curly braces, and here we will just say animals, and here in between just pass the at the rate sign, and this should probably work. And here we get list of all the animals. Okay, so a couple of variations to this we can do is echo length of the array can be, or we can just say animals, and you can do that too. So same thing, animals. This is pretty different. Like in other programming languages you have like built-in function or a property which you can access to access the length, but here you just do, I think you do hash in front of the at the rate thing, and it will tell you the size. So let's try. And when you do that, you get length of the animal array is 4. So it is 4, 1 2 3 4. And there's one weird thing as well, which is, actually it's not weird, you will understand in a while, but it's exclamation. So we will say indices, I think it's, yeah, plural is indices. Anyways, when you do that, you get position of each element. Let me tell you why. So if in, of course, in bash what happens is you can place new element, and this is the way you place new elements. It can be at any index. So if we say 10 here, 4, 5, 6 are missing, but it's still doable. And now let's bring back pig, and we will say pig and store, and we will get different datas here, of course, right? So, and when we print it out, we get 0, 1, 2, 3, 10, and length is still 5. So what happened? So the question is, what happened to number 4, right? So we will say, you know what, let's just copy this, makes it easier, and paste it here, and we will say 4. And we will say, where did 4 go? And of course, let's print our pig out. So we will say, you know, let's paste it and make it 10. And save and clear this out, and we will print it again. And here we see that, okay, it's just empty. We see nothing, and we get our pig. So that's pretty good. And if you wish to overwrite some other element, so let's say you wish to remove lion and bring in tiger. So lion is number 1, so you will just, instead of here, let's just copy this part, paste it here, and 1, and here we will just say tiger. Okay, and if you do this, and you get tiger here. So that's how you do it. If you wish to remove certain element from the array, you can do that too. Let's remove tiger. So you can say unset, and you will do animals and do 1, and it will remove the tiger, and the tiger is gone, but it's left empty. Okay, but there is a difference. Okay, this 4 is not empty. So if we remove this, okay, if we remove this statement and try to print it out, see what happens. Okay, this 1 is something we unset, and 4 is something we never set. Okay, do you get my point? And then when we run it, oh, we still get both empty. Previously I was not getting 4 empty. Something's wrong. Let's try to do 5 this time. No. I cannot be wrong. And let's remove this one. I don't know where that comes from. And here, ooh, okay, it's the same thing. And what happened here? Oh, 1 is supposed to be in here. Okay, well, then it's empty. Okay, let's remove all this empty stuff, and let's not unset animal, and clear. And okay, here we are. Okay, one last thing which remains is everything in bash is kind of array. So I'll go ahead and, you know what, let's just comment this out, and we can just comment this out, and let's have another, we'll say animals and equal to, let's say we have some number. Okay, don't worry about the variable name. It does make sense. Just think like there are 12 animals. So, or you know what, let's just change it. We'll say age here, and you can copy this, paste, and all of the elements of age, whatever. Okay, and when you print it out, so the whole thing is, you will say age is a number. How can you do this? But you can. So when you do this, you get age as, it does print it out. And you can also, when you do @ it will print it out. But things to note here is, see, indices. So this is on index 0 and length is 1. So what happens when you do 1? We get nothing. We get empty string. Empty. Nothing there. And so this will make you curious. So what if we do this? We put 10, oh, not equal to, we do 10, and let's say equal to, let's try to put, let's bring our pig back. And when you do this, well, the pig is still there. I mean, pig is part of the array now, and indices are 0 and 10, length is 2. So let's try to print our pig. So we will say 0 here, copy, paste, and we will say 10, and we get the pig back. Okay, awesome, right? So arrays in bash is pretty much like dictionaries in other languages with some blank spaces in between. uh, well, this is how you know what where is using the exclamation, and you can definitely get the true length using this hash symbol in front of the array. Okay, that's all for this video. If you guys have any questions or comments, go ahead and post them in the comment section below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to my channel for future videos. I'll see you guys next time.